Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install LG monitor driver. First, go to the link we left you in the video description. There, click on the support line. After this, click on the option Software and Drivers for downloading. In this window, click on Windows Monitors Drivers. Here, click on Monitors. Now select the type of monitor you are using. When you do this, click on the model of the monitor used. When accessing its properties, go to the Software Update section. There you find the latest driver. Remember that if you don't see any drivers, you can check the selected monitor model. Click on the appropriate driver, define where to save it, and wait for it to download. Now you can access the downloaded file and from there run the installer. Finally, select the monitor where it will be installed, select the driver, and click OK to complete the installation of the monitor. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.